Greeting you, Sir and Madams, and you're watching the Daily Market Review with me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Ilyin. And our today heading is dedicated to the intraday's analysis. And first we will start from the main pair, major pair, forex pair, Euro and USD. Intraday analysis of Euro USD. The pair in its intraday RSI remain kept by declining trend lines and suggests short positions below 142 with targets at 141 and 140. The upside penetration of 132 will call for a rebound towards 143, and yes, average is 143. And weekly chart Euro and USD trend is bullish. The second major pair is USD and Japanese yen. The pair has struck against its resistance and remains under pressure. Suggests short positions below 77 with targets at 76 and 76.45, and the upside breakout of 77 will open the way to 77.20 and 77.35. The weekly chart USD and Japan yen is bearish, and intraday's analysis of Great Britain pound versus USD. The pair stands below its resistance and remains under pressure again. Suggests short positions below 162 with targets at 161 and 161.05. The upside penetration of 162 will call for 162.55 and 1.6295. And the weekly chart Great Britain pound versus USD trend is bullish. Next pair, USD versus Swiss franc. Technically the RSI is above its neutrally area at 50, suggests long position above 0.78 with targets at 0.79 and 79.75 in extension. Below 0.78 and look for further downside with the 0.77.6 and 0.76.75 as targets. And the weekly chart USD Swiss franc trend is bearish. Intraday Euro and Great pound. And the RSI is kept by a bearish trend line, suggests short positions below 0.88 and with targets at 87 and 87 in extension. Above 0.88 look for further upside with 88.55 and 80.86 as targets. Weekly chart Euro Great Britain pound and trend is bullish. Intraday Euro and Japanese yen. The pair in its intraday RSI remain kept by declining trend lines. Suggests short position at 108 with targets at 108.45 and 15. In extension above 109, look for further upside with 109.25 and 109.60 as targets. Weekly chart is bearish. Next pair, Euro and Swiss franc. The pair remains on the downside. The RSI is mixed to bearish. Suggests short positions below 1.1270 with targets as at 1.11 and 1.10 in extension. Above 1.12 look for further upside with 1.13 and 1.14 as targets. And the last pair, Australian dollar and USD. The RSI is bearish and calls for further decline. Suggests short positions below 1.6 with targets at 1.05 and 1.0510 in extension, above 1.80 and 50 looking for the upside with 1.0690 and 1.0725 as targets, and the weekly chart trend is range. So let's get down now to our fund areas. We can see that Stoxx 50 is falling about 4%. FTSE 100 is falling about 2%, and DAX is falling 3.5%. Energy, commodities, Brent is rising. No, Brent is falling. Brent is falling about 1%. WTI also is falling about 2.26%. Industrial metals, copper future is falling 1%, 124, and of course the precious metals we can dedicate to it specialness, and it's gold trading for about 1%, and silver is falling for 0.54%. And thank you for attention, dear traders. I wish you the fair trends, and thank you for attention. Bye.